In each family, there is one who will not let their dreams be dreams.
Hey guys, Nick Perry did over 300 transactions last year nationwide. There is no way that I would have been able to do it without InvestorLift.
And embrace the early mornings.
We've been able to scale our business from 6 figures to 8 figures in a matter of a year using InvestorLift.
Who refuse to accept their current circumstance as their sole reality.
I've been using InvestorLift for over 2 years and I made millions.
Who understand they're not defined by their past, but by their actions, their choices, and their willingness to work for what they deserve.
InvestorLift has completely transformed my business. Could not find a buyer. We put that thing on InvestorLift, 50K assignment. Honestly, I don't know how you could even run a wholesale business without InvestorLift. It's that vital to your success.
Who will lead their families to prosperity and inspire those around with their presence.
I want to talk to you guys about the best disposition platform on the planet, InvestorLift. We consistently sell half of our deals off of the platform every single month. We literally 20x our money every single year using the platform.
With overwhelming evidence that a better future is possible. In each family, there is one who will not let their dreams be dreams. Will that be you?